Alright guys, today we're going to unbox my brand new Sony Handycam HDR CX190 full 1080p HD black noir Handycam. So yeah, I've been searching for a video camera for a long time. I was going to mention in my update I was going to get a brand new camera, but I didn't know when. A friend of mine's Poppy G Funk. Is it Funk or Punk? Poppy G Funk. Oh, okay. Poppy G Funk messaged me and said he will lend to sell his camera to me. And I said okay. But I came across a deal this morning that I could not pass up. So yeah, we're gonna do this. And I also picked up this 8GB card and this case right here for the camera itself. I paid a total of the camera was on sale at Target for $299. Best Buys was $499. So I just saved myself an extra $200 right there alone. So yeah, as you can see right here, the camera has 5.3 megapixels, still moving image recording. It has some of the companies right there. You can't see them now, but wait till I get this camera going. Zeus, Exmor, Cosmos Sensor R, Bions, and it has a built-in USB cable. Yeah, I know about the spare battery. And there you see all these good things right here. Extended zoom, the 30 times zoom. Auto something, and I got a backlight in it. All those good things. And you can see you can put it on Facebook and YouTube, which I have YouTube connected to Facebook, so when it goes there, it goes there. So and then over here you can see it's compatible with the PlayStation. Something about stamina and battery life. Oh, 12 hours. Oh wow, that's good. And it works with your iMac and iMovie. It's Dolby Digital. You got HDMI. So yeah, let's get right into this baby. I've been wanting the Handycam for years. And as you can see, we are greeted by our limited warranty for the US only. Just a little, receive 15% off on your next purchase on selected accessories. Nice. 15% off eligible accessories. Yeah, I don't think I need any cases because I already bought one. I might get the extra battery pack. I got a tripod already. Play memories home, some stuff for your cameras. The instruction book. God damn, look at this book. Who reads an instruction book that big? Here you have your power cable, your power brick, your video and cables, your battery. Very nice. I'm gonna do like Poppy G Funk does. Pretty cool, pretty cool. That's for you, Poppy. You're the man. USB and two USBs. And now for that coup de grace. Yeah. Oh yes, this is gonna let me. Oh, it feels so small in my hands. Oh wow, look at this bad boy. Look at that. Damn. HD. That is awesome. Yeah. That's pretty good, man. There you see your HDMI and your USB, like a mini USB, and your reset button is right here. You got Dolby Digital right there. Over here you got your play button and your zoom button. On the back you got your start and record button. Looks like this is where the battery would go. You got your little Sony hand strap. I can only put 3 fingers in this small thing. Yeah, you see the full 1080p sticker and the full 1080p HD thing. So let's see if we can put the battery in real quick before we go. Does it go in here? Yes, it does. Looks like it's on. There it goes. Yeah, I know. Battery low. Exchange battery. Turned off. But it works, so that's a good thing. And there you see the lens right there. You got your close and open lens cover. That's awesome. You got your SD thing. You got your photo mode. CHG. Very good, very good. So, yeah, that was just my quick unboxing of my new Sony 1080p Full HD Handycam. What was it called? HDR CX190. So yeah, if y'all have any questions about this camera, let me know. But from now on, more of my videos gonna be shot with this bad boy, and I can't wait. So yeah, see y'all on the next one. Peace. Sony Handycam, ching ching ching, for the win, for the win.